In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a QuickBooks customer list in just a few simple steps. Whether you're organizing your client information or simply need a physical copy for your records, this guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. So let's dive right in. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once there, you'll need to sign in. Look for the sign in button on the home page and click it. Now, as you select which service you're going to use, choose QuickBooks Online. This will direct you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials, that's your username and password. Ensure these are correct and up to date to avoid any login issues. Once you've typed in your information, click Continue to access your QuickBooks account. Now that you're logged in, let's get to where you can find your customer list. You'll want to head over to the Sales section. You can get there by clicking on the Sales tab in the menu on the left. This section is where a lot of your business transactions are managed, but today we're focusing on how to reach your customer list. As you click on Sales, a drop down will appear. From this drop down, select Customers. This option will bring up a comprehensive list of all your clients. With your customer list in view, we're ready to print. Look towards the right corner of the screen and you'll see a print icon. It's usually depicted as a small printer symbol. Click on this icon. It's crucial to make sure that your printer is properly set up and connected to your computer prior to this step, ensuring a smooth printing process. After you've clicked on the print icon, a print dialog box will pop up. This is where you can make any necessary adjustments to your print settings, such as choosing a specific printer or adjusting the page layout. Once you've confirmed that all settings are correct, go ahead and click on the print button in the dialog box. Your QuickBooks customer list will now begin printing. Congratulations, you've successfully printed your QuickBooks customer list. Keep in mind that organizing and keeping physical copies of your customer information can be highly beneficial for your business, whether it's for meetings, audits, or just for backup purposes. If you followed these steps, your customer list should now be neatly arranged and in hand, ready for whatever you need it for. This process is not only quick, but also ensures that you have easy physical access to your customer information whenever you need it. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to stay organized and keep your customer records up to date for maximum efficiency in your business operations. Have a great day.